When static charts in Python are just not enough, and you need to visualize large data sets interactively or monitor real-time streaming data with instant responsiveness, there is only one data visualization library that can do it fluently: LightningChart Python. Since 2007, LightningChart has pioneered GPU-accelerated data visualization technologies and is now proud to present the world's fastest charts for Python. LightningChart Python is entirely GPU-accelerated. Its proprietary methods optimize rendering without losing data detail, enabling new types of projects to be created with Python. You can open long recordings of sensor data, medical data, vibration measurements, or spectrograms and begin reviewing them instantly, zooming and panning with no lag. This elevates the user experience far beyond what older data visualization tools are capable of. Real-time visualizations are capable of displaying hundreds of data streams simultaneously, providing an exceptionally smooth monitoring experience without twitches or pauses during live updates. The charting library offers a huge variety of 2D and 3D charts, as well as a dashboard control that manages the layout and resizing of charts within the user interface. The Data Scientist license allows for easy integration of charts into traditional Python projects and Jupyter Notebook environments, enabling interactive, zoomable visualizations. There's also a software developer license available, which enables you to create commercially sellable and redistributable Python applications that truly stand out from the rest. The Data Scientist licenses are free for universities and students. For commercial use, download the 7-day free trial and get started.